Hello mga ka-tester. Here we go again. Another day, another vlog, another video to share with you guys. Okay, this one I'm going to shout out somebody that we have a sponsor. Okay, we have a sponsor already. Thank you very much. They gave me this one here, Tech Food Hot Plate, my new cooking ware. And my new one, air fryer. Thank you very much. Shout out for Virginia Cara. Thank you very much. New sponsor. Thank you. I'm going to try my air fryer today. We're going to test it. They gave it to me, this one, to test it. Thank you very much, and see you later. I'm going to try this air fryer. Thank you for my new electronic to test in sky air fryer. Thank you very much for Virginia Cara. Thank you for the sponsor. Okay, today I'm going to test this one. Okay, see you guys. See you later. Thank you and have a nice day. This is big. I thought it's a small one, but this one you can put one whole chicken. A big one. Okay, I'm gonna test this one. I'm going to try to cook my Pinoy Tester Mang Inasal version. Okay, next time I'm going to show you how I prepare that one. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna test this one, how this one works. Okay, see you later. Okay, I'm going to put 4 chicken legs in this one here. This is my chicken inasal Pinoy Tester version. Kasyang-kasya ang one whole chicken. It. Everything is okay. Good. There we go. Turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna put my eyeglass. Okay, what we gonna do? Preheat. I'm gonna put 300 for now. Minutes, I'm going to put half an hour. Let's keep it in half an hour for now. What's this one? There's chicken there. Try it, but I don't know. Okay, I try this one. Cool. I try that one first. 300 on 30 minutes. But later I'm gonna check it if it's, you know. First time I tried this one here. It's a new air fryer. Before it's a turbo, now it's air fryer. And I can cook one whole chicken on this one. I put 4 chicken legs Yummy. We try it. No more oil because right now I have high blood pressure. The doctor told me no more oil, greasy oil, no more frying. That's why somebody gave me this one to test without oil, cooking without oil. Okay, see you later. It says half an hour there. We check it later. Okay, see you guys. Okay guys, I just read the book. The book said the whole chicken supposed to be 320 and it's 1 hour something, 1 hour and 10 minutes to cook the whole chicken. But I didn't cook a whole chicken. I put only chicken legs with 300 Fahrenheit and half an hour. This is my first time to do this one. We check it, what's gonna happen. That's why we're doing test. Okay, we'll see you later what's happening in this one. We have 18 more minutes and it smells good already. I don't want to turn it off. I don't want to disturb it. Let it let it I'm getting hungry already. It smells good already. Okay, see you again. I'm gonna pause it. See you again later. There you go, almost done. 6 more minutes left. It's not like when you're frying. This is your house is gonna smell like you're frying. This one is not. There's a smell, but it's not like strong smell. And it's good, especially right now. It's winter in here. You have to close everything. See, look, I opened my my thing right now, the door. I thought it's gonna smell, but it's not. It's not really. This one is good on winter. Like right now, I'm going to skip frying. It's better to cook it in here. And do you want guys to see what's inside, what's happening there? Okay, I'm going to pause it. Pause. There you go, 5 more minutes left. We check it. The only thing is, like, I have to study how to open this one easy. It's a little bit hard for me to open it. And don't touch the top one here because the top one is hot. There you go. If you can see my Mang Inasal there, it's cooking. Yum, yum, yum. See, there's no oil. I didn't put no oil. The oil of the chicken went down, and it look like it's good. It's getting there. Okay, 5 more minutes, and we see what's gonna happen. There you go. It's same thing. It's like it look like microwave. Like there's a preset. Like if you want to bake potato, if you want, even though you can, they say you can make cake in this one here. You can cook fish if you want. I have a fish. Soon I'm going to cook daing. What's that? Daing na bangos. I'm going to cook it inside here. I'm going to try it soon. Okay, we start it now. I'm excited. Okay, 5 more minutes, guys. I'm going to pause it again and see you again later. Okay, guys, it's done. It's shutting off by itself. Okay, I'm gonna show you this one here. Okay. Okay, there you go. It's like if you have a steak, it's an automatic program already. Just press that one. It's gonna program for your steak. Your drumstick, chicken, shrimp, fish, french fries, vegetable, bread. There's a free thing there. Like if you want, like same thing like a microwave. Like if you want to defrost, just press that one. It's automatically they're gonna do it. But this one here is not a whole chicken, and it's only a legs. 4 chicken legs that I put it. So I just make my own time. I put it in 300 in half an hour, and let's see what happened. Wow, look like it's perfectly cooked. You see that, guys? It's cooked already. Please check it in the bottom. Do I need to turn it? See, it's cooked already. It's time to eat. Okay, guys. See you again. That's my test on this one, my air fryer. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna show you later if we're going to eat. Maybe. Okay, my wife just came in. Okay, guys. Thank you very much and have a good day. That's the air fryer. Thank you.